Hey everybody, good morning. It is Sunday morning and I was just eating an orange and I was thinking about the birds outside. And I said, the last time I bought bird seed, it was a nut and fruit mix. So as I'm eating my orange, I said, I wonder if the birds would like some of this orange peel. And then I said, you know what? I have some raisins too. So I'm going to do a little experiment this morning and I'm going to put the orange peel that I cut up and some raisins in the bird food dish that I have out there. And we shall see if it attracts more birds or if they like it at all. So let's go outside and put this little fruit mixture in the bird food dish. Okay, and now we wait. Well, as usual, here's the mourning dove. He's somewhere out there. There he is. How close he is to coming into my home. He's going to eat it all. He's going to eat it all, just like he usually eats. I'm probably going to have to shoo him away because no one else is going to have anything. I don't know if he's going to eat this fruit. He's probably like, this is different. Yeah, I don't know. I got another one just flew. I have the slider door open, so maybe they see me or hear me or sense me. But, when the screen's up, they usually come. Or when the screen's up, when the screen's closed. But then again, I've had birds just trot into the house, like last weekend. So, anyways, we'll just wait and see what happens with this fruit. Can definitely hear them out there. They're chirping away. They're probably saying, check out that lady putting fruit in our bowl. What's up with that? I don't know. Okay, the blue jay is on the railing. I'm trying to stay still. He's coming. There he is. All right, so I don't know. Did you see what he ate? They sound like they are so near, don't they? Yeah, there's something really close. Hear that? The traffic is definitely, for a Sunday morning, there's a little bird right there. There he is. Look at that. Hold on. Is he coming in? There's another bird. He took off. I don't think that this is attracting them. But for a Sunday morning, it's very busy on the highway. Probably because it's summertime, or getting to be summertime. But the birds, I don't think they're gonna like this fruit stuff. So you know what I'm gonna do? Let's go out, or I'm gonna go out and take the fruit out, or even change the seed, and then we'll see if there's a difference. Oh no, did you see that? It fell all over the floor. Look at the mess that I have to sweep up. Oh my goodness, why didn't I have a little clamp or something on the bag? I don't know, but you know what? We're gonna change the seed and put it back out there and see if it attracts the birds without the fruit. Okay, now we will put this back out here with no fruit and see what happens. Guys, look at this mess. That's crazy. Wow. Huh. Okay, so I hear them. They're really close. They're probably singing to each other this song about how the lady took the fruit out of the bowl and that there's fresh food and everyone come along. I can only hope. They sound so nice out there, don't they? Come on, guys. Come on. Come and eat. Okay. Okay, well, I don't know what kind of bird that was. He was kind of big. He was like gray. But he definitely ate some of the food that didn't have any fruit in it. So, let's wait a little longer, see who else comes. Okay, there's a bird. See it? Oh, mourning dove, of course. Of course. Let's see if... he must have heard me. He flew off. Once the mourning doves, once they come, they just like invade the dish and they stay there. I'm sure you've seen in my other videos, there'll be like 2 of them, sometimes even 3, just sitting in the dish, hogging up all the food. So, hopefully someone else will come. Just listen to these birds and their song. I don't know how to decipher birds from what they sing or what, but yeah, they're definitely out there. Oh my goodness, watch this bird. It's a woodpecker. He's coming. He's coming down. He just flew away. He'll be back. So that woodpecker that was just, I know you can't see the railing, the top of the railing, he started pecking at the gutter, which he's been doing a lot, and I don't know if he's causing damage to the gutter, But I didn't have the, this recording when he started pecking at the gutter. But he stopped, and then he flew down, and I looked over my phone here, the top of it, and I saw him sitting right on the, the what do you call it, balcony there. And I thought he'd go back to the dish, but we'll give him a little more time, and we'll give the rest of the birds a little more time and see if they come and have something to eat. Okay, so there was that little bird. He or she stuck around a little bit and ate. So I'm waiting for that woodpecker to come back. He's like really beautiful. But he doesn't have, and I'm gonna sound silly, his hair doesn't stick up the top of his head like Woody Woodpecker, the cartoon guy, character, bird, whatever. So I don't know my woodpeckers one from the other. But he definitely has red head, so I'll have to research it. But I'm going to sit here a little longer, or stand here a little longer, and see what birds come around. There's the blue jay. Okay, did you hear that? That's the woodpecker. There he is, he's coming. Yep, there's the woodpecker. I'm so glad he came back. All right, something else is flying around out there. Couple more minutes and see what comes back. Okay, so I think it's safe to say that the birds prefer just the plain birdseed over anything different that I might have put in their food. I don't know, maybe if I waited a little longer. There's another bird out there. Let me see. Hold on. Oh, he took off. Anyways, maybe if I waited a little longer, they might have liked the orange and raisins. But as you can see, more birds came with just the plain seed. So what I'm going to do before I start my day is get a broom and a dustpan and pick that up. I'm not going to vacuum it. My floor is pretty clean anyways, and I'm just going to put it back in that bag of the birdseed. I'm not showing you me this morning because pretty much just rolled out of bed. I'm in my nightgown, and yeah, it's pretty horrific. Anyways, I don't know how I feel about this birdseed. There's a lot of sunflower seeds in it, and I don't know, they're making quite a mess, more than usual, out on my balcony. So I'm not going to waste this. I'm going to use it, and I will just buy the brand that I usually get. I got that big bag because for financial purposes, it was a bigger bag and it was cheaper, but I guess you get what you pay for. Anyways, have a great day. Let's see what we got out here. I did shut the slider. My plants are doing good out here. That's the new sunflower. I'm happy to say that yesterday there was a lot of sun on them in the afternoon. So I hope you all have a good day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.